Hello, English learner. Today topic is coffee shop. 有关系, we speak English together, slowly, clearly, and with fun. This story will help you speak. We use short and easy lines. Let's enjoy English with real life. Don't just watch. Speak with me, like, subscribe, and speak daily. Comment, ring the bell, and share it with the world. Let's start together.
Good morning. Wow, it smells so good in here. This is my favorite coffee shop. Let me check the menu. Espresso, cappuccino. Muck, I think I'll go with cappuccino today. Hot or cold? Hot, please. Should I try vanilla or caramel? Vanilla sounds perfect. And that chocolate muffin looks delicious. Yes, I want that muffin too. Here's the money. Thank you. I'll sit by the window. This seat is so cozy. The sun feels warm on my face. I love this place. Oh, here's my coffee. Wow, it looks so good. Let me take a sip. This is heaven. Soft foam, sweet vanilla. Just right. Now, time for the muffin. Yum! So soft and chocolatey. I could eat 10 of these. This is the best part of my day. Coffee, peace, and quiet time. No noise. No rush. Just me and my little coffee world. I wish every morning was like this. Maybe tomorrow I'll try the mocha. Yes, that sounds like a plan. But today, I'm happy. Thank you, little cup of joy. You made my day. Here I am again. Back in my favorite coffee shop. Same wooden door. Same sweet smell. Same warm smile from the barista. Feels like home. Let me see the board today. New drink alert. Oh, wow! Hazelnut cloud matcha! That sounds fancy and kind of dreamy. Should I be brave today? Yes, why not? Let's order something new. Hi again! Yes, I'm back. Yesterday's cappuccino was perfect. But today, I want the hazelnut cloud mocha. Tall, hot, and extra cloud, please. Cloud means foam, right? Or happiness, whatever. I'll take it. And what's that on the counter? Is that a croissant with almond flakes? I think it's winking at me. Okay, you win. Add that too, please. Yes, I'm weak, but deliciously weak. Here's my card. I should get a coffee lover discount. Or a chair with my name on it. One day maybe. Window seat, I'm coming. Hello again, sunny spot. Hello again, peaceful vibe. Ah, I love this table. Same view. Same comfort. But a new drink today. Waiting time begins. Let's play a game. Spot the regulars. There's that guy with glasses and a laptop, still typing like the world depends on him. Probably writing a novel. Or shopping for socks. Mystery man and the girl with headphones, bopping her head to some beat. Maybe she's listening to K-pop or learning French. Bonjour, mystery girl. And here comes my order. That's fast. Looks beautiful. Smells amazing. The foam is thick like a little cloud. Hazelnut heaven in a cup. Okay, first sip moment. Drum roll in my head. Whoa. This is magic. Sweet, nutty, rich. Not too strong. Not too sweet. Just perfect. Time for the croissant. It's flaky. It's soft. Oh, wow. Almonds make everything better. Oh, wow. Almonds make everything better. Whoever invented croissants? Thank you. You made life better. This moment is all I need. Warm drink. Crunchy treat. People around. But I'm in my own world. Do they see me smiling? Maybe. Do I care? Nope. I'm just happy. Okay, deep thoughts are coming. Why does coffee feel like a hug? Is it the warmth? The smell? The quiet around it? Or maybe it's me, for once. Sometimes I wish I could pause life. Just sit like this forever. Sip by sip. Thought by thought. Look at that couple across from me. Laughing over 2 iced lattes. He just spilled some on his shirt. She's laughing like it's the funniest thing ever. They're in love. Cute. Messy, but cute. Someday maybe I'll spill coffee with someone too. On purpose. Just to laugh. Or not. I like this solo thing too. Let me check my phone. Emails. Nope, not now. This moment is not for stress. It's for joy. Hazelnut joy, flaky croissant joy, quiet joy. I wonder what time it is. I don't care. Time doesn't exist inside a coffee shop, it's just sips and soft music.